Hey guys, so today we're going to be reviewing this cheap, waterproof Bluetooth speaker sent to me by Avwoo. So first things first, whenever I unboxed the speaker, I immediately felt the quality of how durable it is. It is a very sturdy speaker. It has a water-resistant coating. Water will splash off when you throw water on there. It's like a lily pad. Whenever you see rain and it just splashes off the lily pad, that's similar to how the speaker is. This is a very small speaker. You can easily fit it into your pocket, or you can fit it in a small compartment in your backpack. And even though it's small, it has big sound. Very, very loud. You will hear that later on in the sound test when I show you. Now underneath the flap, it has a micro USB input for charging the speaker. It has an SD card slot that supports up to 16 gigabytes, so you can play your music in. You don't have to have a phone or anything. And it has an auxiliary input for in case your device that has the music on it does not support Bluetooth. One of my favorite things about this speaker for the price is it has LED lights. It has several different settings, and the lights on the speaker are very, very bright. They're colorful, they're fun, and all in all, it's just an amazing feature to have on a small little speaker like this. Now, with the unboxing, it comes in a little box, and as soon as you open it, there's a speaker right there. And the accessories are in this little box right here. We'll go ahead and open it up and see what's in it. So here's the little instruction booklet. You have a limited warranty it comes with. Here's the micro USB for charging the speaker. And here's the auxiliary cord that it comes with, so you can plug your music in and play. And here's the hook. I'll demonstrate this hook in a minute. And here's the speaker. I don't know about you, but the speaker is my favorite part of the unboxing. So I guess we're going to go ahead and power this thing on. I'll show you here in a minute how to pair it up, but first I'm going to show you the LED lights. Standard ones, the flashing ones, and then you just have your still ones. Not bad. Here's the back of it. Right, here's how you put the hook on. It's pretty simple. It's very useful, very sturdy hook. Nice quality. You can shake this thing all you want. It's not going to come off. It's not going to break, nothing. So now I'm going to show you how to connect it. It's really simple. All you got to do is go to your settings. Let me find it. There we go. Click Bluetooth. Make sure your Bluetooth is on, and mine is under the name A021. I don't know if all of them are going to be like that, but that's what name is under. Just like that, it's connected. Now I'm going to show you a few samples of songs.
Don't say you're on the run to the other side, my love. You say you you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna try, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose. You say you wanna cry, but you never do. Sugar, there's a reason why we lose.
Now I'm going to show you the waterproof capabilities of the speaker. Now I gotta say, I was a little hesitant to get the speaker wet. It's not because I didn't trust the speaker, it's just that I'm hesitant to throw any technology into water, even if it's waterproof. But it's been a few days since I've done this test, and it is still working just perfectly fine. No signs of failure, nothing. Everything works how it should. Thank you to Avwoo for sending the speaker out for me to review. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time.